साथ ही क्यों होता है यार हमेशा ऐसे? मतलब भगवान ने मुझे ही टारगेट बना के रखा है. Why me? Why always it has to be me? After doing so much of minute, still nothing is going right. एक के बाद एक, why everything is piling up यार? Why? Hi guys, this is Himasha and you're watching Himasha Unfiltered. In this video, I will tell you how to stay positive even on worst of your days. And that is how to do it step by step. Are you ready? Let's go. Before jumping onto the video, make sure that you're following me on Instagram and also Twitter because I share a lot of stuff there as well. And I hope that it will add value to your life as this video is right now. Let's go into the video. Now, before we talk about how to stay positive in your worst of days, let's understand first that how your brain functions. Our brains are always leaning more towards the negative side of things and they are always imagining what could go wrong instead of what can go right. So there are three things that you should be aware of during this. That first thing, your brain processes 11,000 pieces of information each day and you are aware of nearly 20 to 30. And these information are anything that you see on social media, to talking to your friend, anything. There is so much inside your brain that you are not aware of. Second thing, you should know that 90% of the times we are imagining what can go wrong instead of what can go right, and it's all in our head that is causing us to feel so negative that we are feeling right now, right? And finally, third thing, you're not accepting yourself the way you are, you're not being honest with yourself, and that's why you're struggling so hard to allow yourself and feel positive again. So these are the three primary reasons that I believe most of the people struggle with, because I too have struggled with them. And in this video, we'll go step by step to know how to feel positive. कुछ मत करो, जाने दो, छोड़ दो, नेगेटिव ही फील करो.
In case you're wondering who is she, well, welcome Kraina, the negative voice inside our heads.
Now in this video, I'm taking one example to make you understand even easy on the practical way of how you can be positive even on your worst days. And it's all about tricking your brain. Okay, so let's take an example that you are a content creator and you are trying to grow yourself on social media. Now, when this happens in the initial days, it's very difficult to stay motivated and be optimistic about your content because you're already seeing so much of competition around and you just feel very low about yourself as well. And you feel that your content is not getting so much of reach. So here are some steps that can help you be positive even on the days that you don't feel like. Okay, step number one, accept what is in your control and let go of what is not in your control. You have to surrender it to the feeling that it's okay to feel that way, it's okay, and also recognize this feeling as your growth, that you are growing in this as well. If you're feeling so much about your content, if you're feeling negative that your content is not reaching out, well, look at the other way around, that you're actually thinking of your content and how it can grow. You're constantly motivating yourself as well inside your brain. Step number two, on those days where you just feel like you want to do nothing, allow yourself to feel that way, allow yourself to feel that emotion, and don't be harsh on yourself. Most people forcefully try to be positive, which is known as toxic positivity. Toxic positivity. Now the difference between positivity and toxic positivity is very simple. Toxic positivity is what you are not willing to do but you're forcefully trying to do, and positivity is where it's coming all from the inside. Right? So don't be too hard on yourself. Let yourself feel that emotions and let yourself feel that it's okay. Now how much relief does it bring to you when I say that it's okay to feel that way? It's okay, it's fine. Give yourself that time. It feels good, right? Step number three, stop imagining scenarios that are not true and are all inside your head, that are constantly playing their own story. You know what you should do at this point of time when your brain is constantly playing that scenarios over and over again? One thing that you need to do is to write. Just write it down whenever, whatever it is coming to your brain, and let it out. Writing. कितना writing? नहीं लिखने का है मेरे को, नहीं है लिखने का मन, मेरे को नहीं लिखने का है, मेरे को negative feel हो रहा है. Look, you want the shortcut or not, right? You do want. Then let it out. Let yourself feel that way. Step number four. Now that you're aware that you're feeling low and also you have written it all down on a piece of paper, your brain is finally ready to process new positive information. And this is one hack that works miracles, and it will work for you as well because I've tried and tested it so many times. So let's go. Just take your phone, create a list about what things are you thankful for or what good things have happened to you in the past 5 to 7 days, and list it down on your phone. Now go and read it one by one and really feel how did you feel by having all of those things. Second hack over here is to just go and text your friends on WhatsApp that you're thankful for them, that they are in your life. This will not only change your brain to think in a positive way, but also the reactions of your friends that you will receive will also make you feel positive again. Those लोग पागल समझेंगे तो? Now they will question that what has happened to you, but just tell them that you are very grateful that they are in your life. But this is a hack that can really help you to feel positive again. Step number 5. By following these 4 steps up till now, you will already feel a slight positive shift in your attitude, but it's now time for you to feel recharged. And how do you recharge yourself? I took the example of content creators in the beginning of this video. So for a content creator, if you are in any kind of field, fashion, travel or anything, go and look at the success stories of those people. Go and study those people. Go and follow such people. Reading people's success stories will not only make a shift in your brain to feel positive, but also give you the correct motivation to really see that nobody became an overnight star and everyone had their own share of struggles and joys. So that's how, looking at success stories, you really trick your brain to be in that zone to help you be recharged and also to set back on track. And finally, step number 6. Now that you've followed all the 5 steps, you feel recharged. Now it's time to take action. And how do you take action? You take action by simply noting down what you want to do the next day. I know I talk too much about writing, but really writing helps to declutter your mind. So do try it on your own and see the benefits that it has. The only thing that you need to do after doing all of this is to just plan out your day the next day and make sure that one task is directly related to your goal that you want to achieve this year. And this is how you motivate yourself even on the days that you feel low, by going step by step and really allowing yourself to feel that way, but not allowing yourself to stay in that way, right? And ultimately, life is all about feeling all of those emotions and managing to survive it all. And if you can do it, know that you're already a winner. Having said that, I hope that you enjoyed this video with your whole heart, and remember to like, share and subscribe, and also ring the bell icon to get notified every time that I post a new video on YouTube, because many more such things are coming on the way. Out of the blue, if you too have your way of tackling your negative day in your life, then do comment down and let everyone know and take benefit from it, because we share, we grow together. If this video managed to bring a smile on your face and also told you how to stay positive, then don't forget to give it a like and also comment down your thoughts, and I'll see you for the next video. Thank you so much. Love you all. If you are someone who's conscious of what can go wrong, finally, I hope that you enjoy this video.